The Adventures of Fortune Cat. Meow 1. The monster is coming. Meow! Meow! The alarm suddenly went off. The monster is coming! Quick, get inside and hide. If it finds us, we'll be in big trouble, Dad shouted as he picked me up and ran fast into the house. It wasn't like this before, Mom said. Ever since the monsters showed up, life has become harder and harder for everyone. What kind of monster is it? Why is it so scary? I asked, my voice shaking. Dad was quiet for a while. Then he said, Leo, you're old enough to know the truth. A few years ago, a group of monsters suddenly flew into our village. They have a strange power. They can suck away other creatures' wealth energy. Even hiding inside doesn't help. Look! Dad opened his paw, and a soft rainbow-colored light glowed from it. We fortune cats can store wealth in our paws. The money we earn from working turns into wealth energy here. But those monsters can steal it away until they are full. That's why everyone is so scared. Dad looked out the window and said softly, These monsters are called Inflaptors. Every year, they grow bigger and greedier. They steal more and more of our hard-earned wealth. My eyes grew wide. Can't we fight them? Isn't there any way to stop them? Mom gently patted my head. There's an old story about a wise one, a mysterious sage who might know how to defeat them. A sage? Where can we find him? I asked excitedly. Before Mom could answer, we heard heavy steps outside. Thump, 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 thump. Dad's eyes widened. Shh, it's the Inflaptors. They're coming. We held our breath and didn't move a whisker. The floor creaked as the monsters passed by. Their wings brushed against the window, making a low humming sound. After what felt like forever, the sound slowly faded away. I let out a tiny sigh of relief. Then I looked at Mom and Dad and said in a whisper, I've decided. I'm going to find the wise one. I'll learn how to defeat the Inflaptors so everyone can live in peace again.